I had my annual checkup, and I discovered that I had a lump in my right breast. The day that I got the diagnosis, I got the call from the nurse from the Comprehensive Breast Care Center here at Mercy Health.
My role as a nurse navigator is to walk with a patient from diagnosis to survivorship.
Sue was diagnosed with very early stage breast cancer, and she had minimally invasive surgery, and the way she embraced her treatment was amazing.
She held a positive attitude that shined through to other patients.
We were able to diagnose her at such an early stage where she has an excellent prognosis.
Now I'm back to normal. I'm back on the golf course. So I'm able to get back to doing all those things that I've loved doing. Mercy Health was so great. I just feel as though they became like friends to me. I just sell jewelry, but they save lives.